If you're an eBay seller, I'm going to show you how to spy on your biggest eBay competitors and steal their exact winning products. So what you're going to do is go to eBay, right? And obviously finding a product like this is a bit hard. And this is a cat cable with 2,500. This is a great product, right? Now, in order to find your competitors and do a full scan, what you're going to do is use a tool called Zik Analytics, which is much faster than doing manual. You can go to zikanalytics.com. The link's right in the description. Now, it's up to you. You can always do it manually. But right when you go to zikanalytics.com, it's going to give you this little portal. And then it's going to show you the top trending niches right here. And you can see number 3 is pet supplies. If you click on this, it literally shows you some of the top pet supplies items. And you can see this dog harness has 3,000 sold, and in the last 30 days has practically 2,000 sold. So yes, you can find items that are very popular and other items in the category, which makes your life so much easier. Not only that, if we can see this item has 1,800 sold, we can actually look at the seller and see, okay, what other products is this seller selling, right? So we can click on this item right here and just double check that Zik Analytics is correct. And yes, they've got 7 sold in the last 24 hours, 4,000 sold in total, 2 available. What you're going to do is you're going to copy the seller's name, also sometimes called the seller ID. You're going to copy that, right? I'm copying this, the Perfect Part Inc. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Zik Analytics. I'm going to go to competitor research, click on that button, and then I'm going to type in the Perfect Part Inc. and then click search. Now, usually this takes seconds, and then what it's going to do is show you all of the competitors' top selling products, right? So we can see some items right here, but the biggest thing is the total sold, right? So if we click on this, I'm going to click on it again. We're going to find their top sellers very quickly. So this one has $6,000, $11,000 sold, right? And we can kind of scroll down. $8,000 sold. This is a drill. So we're going to go to the right and see what items these are. Again, this is a very niche item that you could potentially sell. And it's a portable cordless electric high pressure water spray gun. This is nuts. Okay, 73 sold in the cart, 30 bucks, 279 sold, right? So just finding items very quickly, this is how you do it, is looking at what the top sellers are doing and what products they're doing really well on. Now, another product that I found that's extremely good is this hand juicer. You put your oranges in there, you put your lemons in there, boom, you juice it. Now, they've got $6,000 sold. In the last 30 days, $2,000 sold. And guess what? They ran out of stock. They ran out of stock. So this is definitely a good product to sell. It's out of stock. 282 sold. I want one. You want one. We got to sell it as well if we want one so badly. Now, what we can do is actually analyze the product. There's a product analyzer tool where you can see the sell-through rate, the successful listings. You can see other competitors that are selling the exact same item. So that way, you know, okay, maybe I should sell this. Maybe there's too many competitors. A lot of info right here. And the golden ratio is to have a 500% sell-through rate. Now, if we're looking at this, the sell-through rate is around 141%, but it is still above 100%. So just double check into this and then kind of go from there. We've got a microscope that we found. Hey, pretty cool. If you want to start selling microscopes, copy their item name or their seller name, paste it in, click search, and then you can find all the microscopes they sell and then how much money they're making. So again, that main one, they're making $40,000 in total. Last 30 days, $10,000. Could be a good seller. And if anybody asks you what you do for a living, you can just say e-commerce espionage, right? It sounds very, very brutal, but it does sound cool at the same time, right? So you're e-commerce espionage now. Oh, you just research competitors and spy on them, right? Very cool, very funny. Ha ha ha. 10 sold in the last 24 hours. And we're looking at this. We're going to copy their name as well. What is it? Nave Point. Did I type it right? Boom. Look how fast that was. That was a little too fast. It seems like it's too fast. I'm like, oh my gosh. And then we're kind of going here and we're going and we're looking at them. and $145,000 sold. In the last 30 days, $7,000. Completely insane. Let's go to total sold. Right here, they've got a product that's making $500,000. $500,000. And it's a metal box. Okay, it's a server data cabinet, but it's just so overpriced, but there's no competitors, so just people are buying it. I want to start selling this. I know they're buying it for dirt cheap. I know they are. You know, I know, we know, and you can even sell some self-warming pet pads. If you sit on it, it warms itself. Gotcha. And you can paste that seller ID. So again, you're going to copy this, any volume. It's a very easy name to remember. So I'm just going to remember it. Boom, I'm going to go here, any volume. I like that seller name because they sell just random stuff that's going to make a lot of money. And those are the sellers you want to look at. We're going to go to the total sold, try to filter. Sometimes the filters are a little whack. But anyway, this one's making $200,000. And of course, it's that jewelry diamond kit. So you got to test some jewelry, 14,000 sold. I just saw a warning. There's a warning sign. It says restricted keyword. I'm going to get back to you on what that means, but I guess toolkit might not be good. I don't understand why that would be restricted. But hey, Zik Analytics is looking out for you and me. So we can go through, we can find some different items, right? And they are also selling any volume sponges, 3,000 sold. I'll take it. Actually, I kind of want some sponges myself. And then we've got another product. I was like, hey, Christmas time, we got them light up Santas. There we go, 71 sold. Finding items fast. But of course, you need to make sure that you're making profit. So Zik Analytics also has a profit analysis tool. Let's go back to that Mr. Santa Claus. We're going to copy that item ID right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Item ID copied. You're going to go back to Zik Analytics. They have a profit breakdown tool. You just type in the item ID. Just ignore the upsells. Boom. And now it's going to tell you how much eBay's charging them, right? And all you have to do is plug in your cost of good. So I'm going to say I bought this for $12. It's $12 to ship. And then boom, we're making $49 profit. On a bad day, probably $30. You can also see the eBay fee. It's calculating that in. The sell price of the competitor. It's doing the breakdown right here for you. So a phenomenal tool for product research. And I tried to go as fast as possible without you losing any of that information, but I really appreciate you. That's the end of this video. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you are an eBay seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. If you want more eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, like doing product research, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also do full eBay account management. We'll do your designs for you, find you new products, manage your customer service, mitigate negative reviews, remove negative reviews, and all of the above to make sure your sales are increasing and your eBay account is healthy. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.